Let me ask you something real quick. How many AI tools have you tried, got excited about, and then quietly stopped using a week later? Exactly. The problem isn't that AI doesn't work. It's that most AI tools promise productivity and deliver frustration. So instead of guessing, I did the work. I watched 200+ videos from AI creators, tracked every tool they recommended, and then spent 7 months testing the 110 tools that kept showing up again and again. Only 14 survived. Today, I'm showing you the AI tools that are actually worth your time, and more importantly, when to use which one. Before we talk about automation or fancy workflows, you need the right foundation, because every tool on this list works better only if you're using the right AI assistant. Let's just dive into it. ChatGPT. Best for thinking things through. ChatGPT is my default when I need reasoning, not just answers. If I give it a messy idea, a long document, or a complex decision, it actually slows down and thinks through the problem before responding. That's why it's the best choice for analysis, planning, breaking down complicated topics. If you've ever seen AI confidently give the wrong answer, this is the model that minimizes that. For writing and code. Claude is what I use when I'm working with long-form content or large files. You can paste entire books, long research papers, massive transcripts, and it keeps track of everything without losing context halfway through. That makes it ideal for writing. Gemini, best inside the Google ecosystem. Gemini shines if you already live in Google Workspace, because it can see your Gmail, your Drive, your calendar. You can ask things like, find the doc I edited last week, or do I have any meetings tomorrow? And it actually knows what you're talking about. Even the best AI is useless if typing slows you down. That's where voice-first tools change everything. Whisperflow, fastest way to write anything. Whisperflow lets you hold a hotkey, speak naturally and get clean, formatted text instantly, email, Google Docs, ChatGPT, anywhere. What makes it special is that it understands intent. If you say, let's meet Tuesday, actually Wednesday, it only outputs, let's meet Wednesday. You can also highlight text and say, make this more professional. Turn this into bullet points. Shorten this paragraph. And it rewrites it instantly. Super Whisper, local and private. If privacy matters, Super Whisper runs entirely on your device. Nothing is sent to the cloud. It's Mac only and less polished, but for sensitive work, that trade-off is worth it. If you're in meetings all day, this part alone saves hours. Granola is invisible note-taking tool. Granola records meetings without joining the call. No awkward AI bot joined message. After the meeting, you get clean summaries, clear action items, notes that actually sound human. You can even write rough bullets during the call, and Granola expands them using context. Fathom, best free option. Fathom works with Zoom, Google Meet, Teams. It's completely free and gives you unlimited transcripts, summaries, shareable clips. If you're just getting started, this is where to begin. Most people still use Google and then spend an hour clicking links. These tools fix that. Perplexity reads the web for you and gives direct answers, summaries, citations, perfect for learning new topics, fact-checking quick deep dives. Notebook LM is different. You upload your own PDFs, ports, articles, transcripts, and it answers questions using only that information. No hallucinations, no guessing. It even creates audio summaries you can listen to like a podcast. AI image generation is finally usable at a professional level. Midjourney is best visual quality. If image quality matters, Midjourney still wins. It produces realistic, cinematic, polished visuals. Great for thumbnails, concept art, brand visuals. Most AI tools mess up text and images. But Gemini, this one doesn't. Perfect for thumbnails, posters, social graphics, and it understands real-world context better than most models. Turning images into video is now shockingly good. VEO generates visuals, sound effects, ambient audio, dialogue, all at once. No syncing needed. Kling is best for consistency and cost. Kling is great for image to video, consistent characters, longer clips, lower cost. Perfect if you're generating lots of content. This is where productivity compound. These tools connect everything together. Example: Perplexity researches a topic. Claude summarizes it, notes are saved automatically. Tasks get created without you touching anything. Once you think in systems, AI stops feeling like a toy. None of these tools matter if you don't know how to prompt them properly. That's the difference between AI is overrated and AI just saved me 10 hours. Google released a full prompting course, and I broke the most important ideas down in my previous video. Click it on screen, and I'll see you there.